remember where the landing locations are.
Change camera.
Change camera.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me. It might be easier trying to spot them with the actual camera.
The rain on the window, bro. Quit
Oh, yeah.
playing. Ain't nobody doing it like Star Citizen.
Pretty sure we're above the landing areas. Okay.
Request docking permission.
Sending docking request.
Yeah, that may not be actually.
Bruh, I just want to know how the fuck when I was at change camera.
Acknowledged.
Certain ships you can actually get a name tag placement for.
Request docking permission.
Contacting Starport Control.
Here? No. Yes? No. Maybe? Gotta be.